our special show, Second Wave Superheroes. Yes, this is a series which highlights and recognizes individuals and organizations who've stepped up to help people in this very tough time as India continues to reel under the devastating second COVID pandemic wave. Our first guest today is Ayushi Mishra Vikram, founder of SAYAM Karangal in Chennai, who along with a team of volunteers has provided food, water and COVID essential items to those in need. Listen in to Ayushi Mishra Vikram.
Vikram is the founder of the NGO SAYAM Karangal in Chennai. SAYAM Karangal is an NGO run by a young group of friends. Vikram and his volunteer friends set out every day to provide food, water and COVID essential kits to those in need. They are also expanding to collect funds to help COVID patients who are in need of medicine and oxygen. NewsX proudly recognizes second wave superhero Vikram.
Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX. I'm Aarti Krishnan. On today's episode of Second Wave Superheroes, I have with me Vikram from Chennai, who's the founder of SAYAM Karangal. So they provide free food for essential workers, they source funds for those in need of medication, and they also help in sourcing empty oxygen cylinders and such. Let's hear from him. Vikram, take us through what you do, your work, and the service that you do.
Hi everyone. So what we do is we have been on the field since the second wave of Corona, and we have been giving people free food for the past 15 days, and we have identified 50 to 60 people who are homeless and who are sanitary workers, frontline workers, and we have been providing them food, safety kits, water bottles every day, every single day, and we have set up stations in two particular areas in our locality. And those stations, what we do is we fill them with water and refreshments. So anyone can come take whatever they want. Anyone can refill if they want. Anyone can donate it over there. So it is just for the people. It's just for the sanitary workers, mainly frontline workers, and the people who are delivering food. So this is all we did as of now. And what we have planned to do is now we are sourcing in oxygen cylinders, and we're going to give them for free. And for people who are in need. And at the same time, we have started procuring ration kits, and we have started identifying families who are in need of ration kits. And that is what we are doing as of now. And we have planned much more things.
Right. So take us through a day in when you're doing your service. How does your day start, and what do you start off doing?
So we start off with getting food from the hotels, and we take in food, water bottles, safety kits, biscuit packets, and everything. We start off from our place. We go fill in our stations. We go give it to the sanitary workers. We ask them to come, and we give the food for them. And then we go around our locality. And what we see is due to this unbearable heat, people have started to faint while they are doing the service. And I have seen officers fainting without water. I have seen sanitary workers fainting without water. So it is better to give food and water to the frontline workers. See, one thing what we as a human can do is keep water and food for the frontline workers. That is what we request. See, if all of us are going to contribute to the society by giving water or food, if you're keeping it outside your house, we don't have to come out every single day and give people water or food. So that is what we have seen every single day. That is what we feel. That is what we get responses from the people. Every day, people come and ask us water, food, and that is it. That's it.
So Vikram, also tell us about the funds that you require and how you collect those funds. Do you take donations?
Okay. So SAYAM Karangal is basically a set of friends, and we have been together freely since early age. And what we decided to do is we decided to give back to this community. So what we do is we collect funds from our friends and our students who are studying now, who are working abroad, and we have people who are working abroad. So basically what we do is, since I'm on the field, they talk to them, they tell them our friend is on the field. That is how we get the funds. And we what we do is all transparent. We show them everything, what we do with the bills, everything in our page. So that is how, since we are doing this from the first pandemic, a lot of people believe us, and that is how we get funds. And we are doing how much ever is possible with the funds we get. So if at all we are going to get so much more funds, we have a lot of plans to do, and we have people who are already on the field. We have know a lot of people who are already working, and we are there to join with them and do much
Right.
more.
Have you also
Possibly.
helped families with funds for buying medications, and have you helped them with oxygen cylinders as well?
As of now, we didn't start that with that, but we have planned how to do that. So we have certain friends who are working in the hospitals, and what we told them was find out the families which are in need of money for the medications. If you can find them and let us know, we'll definitely be there for them to give the money. That is one. Another one is we have planned to get the oxygen cylinders. Since the demand is high over here and we didn't want to hoard stuff, we just want to get it and use it properly. That is why we are still looking out for cylinders. If anyone is coming to help, coming forward to help us with the cylinders, we'll definitely give it to the people who are in need of it. And we have arranged everything. We have transport to go give it to the people, and we have everything for that. We're just finding out cylinders. That's it.
Okay. So Vikram, what would be your appeal to the public, to the people watching this interview?
So one thing is wear your mask, be safe, just don't come out if it is not necessary. And if you want to contribute to the society, give food, masks, water, keep it outside the house, let the people come and take it. See, a lot of people are working without water, without food. And one thing we can help is we can give them food and water. That is what I saw. I never went to the other side of it. See, I don't know how things are in the medical side of it. In this side, we have been working. And what I want people to do is keep water and food outside the house, because a lot of people are fainting. And if you go out for one day, you will know how people are suffering from heat. And this is the only way we can help the society. Maybe we can keep water, food, mainly masks. Mask is necessary. A lot of people who are homeless sitting outside our houses don't wear masks. They get in contact with a lot of people, and when they get affected, they are not even cared about. And this is how we can change the society. First, we'll take care of our locality, and then we can move on to the society. That is how we are planning to do.
Right. Thank you so much for your service, Vikram. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much.